How to make zinc-aluminum wire. This is the wire production line. The first machine is induction melting furnace. Use induction melting furnace to melt the material. The furnace has uniform temperature, easy to control. According to the capacity to choose the required furnace. After melting, pour liquid into the billet casting machine. Billet casting machine can continuously casting into round billets. Then use the preheating furnace. This machine preheats the billets to facilitate subsequent extrusion work. Use extrusion machine to get the desired specifications wired. The heated alloy billet is extruded through molding and directly formed into thick wire. Multiple take-up drums to improve efficiency. Then use rolling mill to get 2.5 mm wire. There are multiple roller boxes arranged in parallel on the machine body. Each roller box has 2 pairs of rollers in the longitudinal and transverse directions. The wire diameter after rolling is gradually reduced in proportion. The automatic take-up machines are coordinated with the main line, significantly improving efficiency and stability, quality. Then use single die wire drawing machine to get the finished wire. The customized single head wire drawing machine with horizontal take-up collection system. If you are interested in this wire production line, welcome to contact us.